Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a professional resume in 10 minutes using Google Docs. Type docs.new in your browser, make sure you are logged in. Rename file name as name surname resume. Let's change the default settings. Go to File and Page Setup. Set the top and bottom margins to 0.2, and the left and right margins to 0.25 each. Go to Format, Line and Paragraph Spacing and select Single. Align the cursor to the center. Type name and surname. Add city and country. Hold the Shift key and click the vertical line symbol on the keyboard to add a vertical line. Enter your email address, and remove the link by pressing Ctrl-Z on the keyboard. Add your contact number and LinkedIn profile and press Enter to go to the next line. Including a robust LinkedIn profile link in your resume can significantly increase your chances of getting interviewed and ultimately hired. Select name and surname. Set a font Times New Roman. Bold it. Set the font size to 24. And change the color to blue. Select the text underneath of name and surname, set the font size to 12, and change the font to Times New Roman. Let's outline a resume in 5 sections. Summary, skills, experience, education, and projects, all in caps lock. Select all sections. Set the font to Times New Roman and font size to 12. Move your cursor at the end of summary and hit the Enter key once. Repeat this process till the education section. I like to put one line space under the project section to avoid issue to insert text later on. Select the summary, bold it, and increase the font size to 14 points. Go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, click on Custom Spacing, and add the line spacing to 12 points before and after. Then go to Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders, and Shading. Add a top and bottom border and click on Apply. Deselect the summary. Double-click on Paint Format and paste the formatting to other sections. Once done, click again Paint Format to cancel it. Aim for a 3 to 4 sentence long summary to showcase your qualifications, skills, and experiences to potential employers. Start with the number of years you've been working in your career with your job titles, including one notable achievement that demonstrates your capabilities. Use quantifiable results to showcase your impact. Include 1 to 3 personal strengths. If possible, add your availability. Customize your resume summary for each job application aligned with the job requirements. Let's move with the skills section. Look at the job vacancy descriptions and list those skills that match the job requirements. Align your cursor to the left. Navigate to the Insert tab table and insert a 3x1 table. Did you notice an extra line on the top and bottom of the table? Go to View and click on Show Non-Printing Characters. To get rid of extra line space above the table, place your cursor in an extra line space and press Backspace on the keyboard. To get rid of extra line space under the table, place your cursor in an extra line space, and this time, press the Delete button on your keyboard. Now go to View and uncheck the non-printing characters. Select the whole table, right-click, and click on Table Properties. Go to Cell, set cell padding to 0 and close it. Highlight 3 to 6 key areas of expertise that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Then add your programming languages, the ones you're proficient in. Include any additional skill sets that support your job competencies. By organizing your skills this way, it'll make sure that your resume effectively showcases your skills, strengths, and competencies. Bold the skills headers. Select the Programming Languages column aligned to the center. Select the Additional Skills column and align to the right. Put your cursor inside the table, right-click and click on Table Properties. Go to Color, set the table border to 0 points and close it. Align your cursor to the left. Enter your company name followed by the job title, work duration in years and months, city, country, and employment duration. Select the company name and job duration and bold it. Then select the title, duration, and address and italicize it. Put the cursor in front of the address and press the Tab key till it aligns properly to the right. If it goes next line while pressing the Tab, then press Backspace on your keyboard. Put the cursor at the end and hit Enter. Navigate to the bulleted list and insert a bullet point and make it non-bold. Use the Problem Action Result method for detailing experiences effectively. First, you describe the challenge you faced, then you explain the actions you took, highlighting the skills or strategies you utilized. Finally, you share the results of your efforts, emphasizing quantifiable achievements. Using PAR value in a resume helps you showcase your skills, experiences, and accomplishments in a compelling way to potential employers. Select the bullet points and justify them. Highlight all this section, right-click and copy it. Put your cursor at the end. Press Enter on your keyboard. Hit Backspace on your keyboard twice to remove the bullet and align the cursor to the left. Now right-click and paste it. Put the cursor at the end of the first employment details, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, and click on Add Space after List Item. Change other details and use PAR value to describe your achievements in bullet points. In the Education section, again I want to copy and paste the above section and make the changes. Start with the name of the university or college, followed by the type of degree, completion time, city, country, and duration in both month and year format. You can also include the subjects studied during your academic tenure and achievements. Use the same techniques to remove extra space and add spaces between the sections. Moving forward to the project section, align your cursor to the left. I want to approach the skills section formatting style. Use the same techniques to add the table and remove cell padding to 0. Tailor your project descriptions to align with the job requirements and emphasize experiences that showcase your suitability for the role. Each project should be described with a brief overview of its purpose, the role you played, the actions you took, and the quantified results you achieved to showcase the impact of your projects. Now it's time to download it as a PDF file. Head over to File tab, Download, and click on the PDF document. And there you have it, a professional resume in under 10 minutes. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.